How to add multiple accounts on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can add multiple accounts on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add multiple accounts on Snapchat, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all basically launch the Snapchat application here. And once you launch the Snapchat application, tap the profile icon from the very top left hand side of the screen here, as you can see. Then once you tap the profile icon from the top left, tap the gear icon. Now there isn't a direct way on Snapchat where you can simply switch your accounts. The only way you can do is by logging out of your current account and then adding another account. You can still save the login information so that next time you won't have to enter the password. So scroll down, tap the logout option here, tap on the logout button. You'll be successfully signed out. The account will be saved and you can just select use another account, log into that account. Next time you can save both accounts. You'll be able to find them here and you can select the one that you wish to log into. This way you can add multiple accounts on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.